Hi, this is Vijay from VK. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to get notifications from VK. Today I have got another review video. Let us unbox and see what we have for review today. Let me cut to the package and see what is inside. So here it is, Sjcam with Wi-Fi. To be very specific, it is a Sj7 star action camera with 2.0, that means 2-inch touch screen with umbrella chipset, a gyro stabilizer, 12 MP sensor. It has 4K resolution which can record 30 frames per second. Let us open the box to see the contents of it. If we open the box, at first we get the action camera itself, which is packed in the waterproof casing. Let us keep it aside. Further, we have some mounts, a camera lens cover, a USB cable with B type. This is a USB and B type port. Get skeleton mount for the action camera, bicycle mount, extenders, tripod mount, a touch screen, extra touch screen pad, cleaning cloth, and lastly we have a user manual with the details of the camera functions and also a list of accessories. Generally, action cameras come with a lot of accessories like mounts and waterproof casing. Sjcam also has got many accessories included in the package. These are the different accessories which we get from the Sjcam Sj7 star. Let us look at the camera now. Here is the on-off button. Just below there is a setting button. On the right corner, lens with Sony sensor. If we move right, there is a HDMI port. Just below that there is a mini USB port. Below that there is a SD card. At the back there is 2-inch touch screen. Nothing to the right. On the bottom of the camera there is a battery compartment. Let us take out the battery. If you see the battery, it is 3.8 volt 1000 mAh. With this battery you can record 45 minutes to 60 minutes continuously. Moving to the top, there is a button to record the video or take the photos. So if we hold the power button for 2-3 seconds, the camera will switch on. To navigate to the settings, we have to tap on the screen to go into the settings. Let us see the settings and various resolutions. The available resolutions are 4K 30 frames per second 16:9, 4K 25 frames per second SV Super V mode, 2160p 30 frames per second 4:3, 2.7K 30 frames per second 4:3, 2.7K 30 frames per second SV mode, 2.7K 30 frames per second 16:9, 2.5K 60 fps 16:9, 1080p 120 frames per second 16:9, 1080p 60 frames per second, 1080p 30 frames per second, 1080p 30 frames per second SV mode. So there are also 960p 120 frames, 960p 60 frames per second, 720p 240 frames per second, 720p 120 frames per second, 720p 60 frames per second, 720p 30 frames per second 16:9. If we see the video quality, there are options like super fine, fine and normal. If you see the option FOV, which stands for field of view, it can be either wide, medium and narrow. It can also shoot slow motion videos. There is the option of auto low light. It comes with gyro sensor, which can be enabled for few types of videos. Let us see some samples taken by the Sjcam and also a time-lapse video shot by Sjcam.